What's happening, everyone? As you can see, I revamped my channel a little bit. I decided to go with the name I get with the Buck City Breakers, Charles and Chargers, which I found hilarious the first time they said it. I love it, so I changed it to that. And I was just kind of having some fun with it and redoing stuff here. Background cards, my two main PC guys, two of my favorite cards I have, Breeze and Phillip Rivers. And got the Instagram page, same name, Charles and Chargers. Just kind of running with it. So that being said, got a break here. Trying some 2019 Select, and I do believe this is the first time I've ever opened Select for whatever reason. So we're going to tear into this here. I haven't been able to sit and watch a lot of breaks. So this is going to be a few minutes here. Me going through the cards. I want to make sure I don't miss anything. And I'm actually pretty excited to tear into this. Of course, Breeze on the cover. And I'm glad he announced he's coming back. It sounds like it's going to be his last season. He didn't officially say that, but I have a feeling it is. We'll set that down there. All right. Got our stack of packs here. So let's get into it. All right. Starting off with Johnny U, Dalvin Cook. Got the filler. I actually need some of them for shipping. That's a nice card. Peyton Manning. And that's the field level. Like I said, you got to bear with me here a minute. Will Greer. And that's numbered 5 out of 149. And Drew Lock. And that's the field level. All right, Quinnen Williams. Nice. Daniel Jones. Okay. We're going to push that to the back. Oh, cool. Devin Bush. I was hoping I'd get that. Don't let it fool you. I know the channel name's Charles and Chargers. Collect Breeze and Rivers, but I am a Steeler fan. Tom Brady. And let's check this one out. It's 5 of 25. Riley Ridley. Yep. Riley Ridley. Oh, man, is that nice. Check that out. The tie-dye, I believe. Man, that is nice. Pretty cool patch and everything. 5 out of 25. And, of course, I forget my sleeves and top loaders. I did get to a break of this with Buck City. Pretty sure it was this. And I got some pretty nice stuff overall. So, all right. Benny Snell. Nice Dwayne Haskins. I hardly have anything of him, so. Joanne Williams. And that's the Premier level Prism. Got, ooh, nice. Kyler Murray snapshot. These are so cool. That's a cool looking card. And Quinnen Williams. This is a really cool product. I could actually see myself getting another box of this. We'll see here. All right, Jared Goff, A.J. Brown rookie, Saquon, and that is the Concourse. Johnny Unitas. That's a cool looking card with the blue. And that's numbered 58/75. And Sterling Shepard. Cool. Gardner Minshew. I do wipe these cards down. I know I've been kind of touching all over the place here, but Travis Kelce. Matt Stafford. And that is the, okay, field level. A nice A.J. Brown phenomenon. That's a cool card. Heck of a player, too. And Frank Clark. All right. Juan Thornhill. Baker. Ryan Connolly. Got another hit here. DeMarcus Lawrence. And RS23. Ooh, Devin Singletary, 50/75. Okay, just a napkin. That is cool looking, though. Set Conley there. Try and keep some of this stuff separated. I go through everything afterwards anyway. All right, cool. Got the Kyler rookie. Run CMC. Filler. Got a Josh Rosen. That's the Premier Level Prism. Ryan Finley. And he'll be numbered 87/99. And Noah Fant. Nice one on the back here. All right, Hunter Renfrow. Christian Wilkins. Dawson Knox. Concourse. Oh, man, that's cool. Juju. Phenomenon. That'll go right in the PC. And Dwayne Haskins. Aaron Rodgers. Damian Willis. That's going to be another hit. Cool. Dwayne Haskins. Round 1, pick 15. I like these. I like these a lot. Bobby Wagner. And Damian Willis is going to reveal DW. Oh, last one stamped, 35/35. Oh, I'm drawing a blank. D.D. Westbrook, okay. And D.D.'s going to be our auto. It's a nice looking card. 35 of 35. That's real nice. Cool. Nick Bosa. Trace McSorley. Oh, sweet. Joey Bosa. He's another one I PC, the Bosas. Field level prism. Oh, that's nice. That's real nice. Miles Jack. And then Pat Tillman. Look at that. Tricolor. And again, last one stamped 99 and 99. That's a nice card. I really like that one. All right. 2 packs left. I've been taking up a lot of your time here. We're already over 11 minutes. All right. Jalen Hurd. Odell Beckham. Josh Gordon. Premier. Andre Johnson snapshot. And Allen Robinson. All right, last pack. Got Alexander Madison. Ed Reed. Nice Jarrett Stidham. Got an N'Keal Harry. The tie-dye. Man. 25 of 25. That's like 3 different last one stamped. It's hard for me to say eBay 101. I hate that. And Sean Taylor. All right, so that was a fun break. I could see myself getting another box here. Got the tie-dye Harry. The 25 of 25. The Tillman tricolor. 99 and 99. Juju Phenomenon. That's for the PC. Johnny U. 58 of 75. Riley Ridley is our patch auto. 5 of 25. D.D. Westbrook was our other auto. 35 of 35. Devin Singletary, just a napkin jersey. 50 of 75. And let's see here. A couple other nice cards. A.J. Brown and Peyton Manning. So overall, yeah, pretty cool. I'm happy with that. Like I said, I could see myself getting another box of it. That's a fun product. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it's the first time I've ever opened Select. So anyway, I've taken up enough of your time. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good night. See you.